In this video, I am going to show you how to use GPT-4 for free. As you might be aware, GPT-4 has been released, but it can only be accessed through ChatGPT-4, which requires a monthly fee of $20. However, don't fret, as I have a clever trick up my sleeve that will allow you to use GPT-4 for free. Before we delve into that, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, where you can stay up to date on the latest AI tools and how to benefit from them. Alright, let's get started and explore how you can get your hands on GPT-4 without spending a penny. The fact is, Microsoft has officially confirmed that the new Bing search engine is powered by OpenAI's GPT-4. We are delighted to announce that the new Bing search engine runs on GPT-4, which has been customized for search purposes. If you want to try out GPT-4, sign up for the new Bing preview by clicking the button provided. All you need to do is click the Join the Waitlist button and then sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, creating one is easy. After that, you need to go down and find how do I access the new Bing. Click on it. Then click on Microsoft Edge browser. Choose your device. In my case, it is Windows 8.1. Click on it, and after a few seconds you will access to Microsoft Edge browser. Before we proceed, let's ask Chat3 a question. What catastrophic events happened this year? This is the response we received, indicating that ChatGPT is limited to the year 2021. As we all know, the latest information we have is related to the COVID-19 pandemic. Let's see what Bing has to offer. As we can see here, it can write creatively or accurately. We asked the same question as we did with Chat before, and the response was, "I'm sorry, but could you please clarify what you mean?" We clarified that we meant natural disasters, and we received accurate information for 2023, such as earthquakes and other events. The second thing is you can choose different type of conversation. The first one gives you the original and imaginative response. Second one gives you informative and friendly response. And the last one gives you concise and straightforward response. I recommend the second one, which is friendly and informative. The chatbot is most useful and can be used alternative of ChatGPT-4. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe my channel for more free tricks.